Hi, I'm Dr. Angelica Underwood, and I'm here in LA. And I have to say that I have a surprise. I have Master Seal here with me, and I'm going to tell you a little story about maybe 2 years ago, I want to say. This amazing man and a Master Seal appeared in my life. I had been diagnosed with cancer, and immediately when I announced it, he asked if I wanted his help, and I said yes, of course. And amazing healing started happening in my life. I attended his healing sessions on the phone, and I'd pass out and fall asleep, woke up with a lot of energy and just love and amazing stuff happening in my life. And I showed up in LA Thursday, and I put a post, and he saw my post and said, "Hey, let's connect." And we did. And I just want him to talk a little bit and say what he does. And he touches lives in so many ways that you guys wouldn't imagine. And it's not even about money, it's about touching lives. So let's hear a little bit about Master Seal.
Okay, Angelica, thank you so much. I am very humbled and grateful for this opportunity to share my work and to give you a gift of healing. As you know, everything is enveloped in oneness. There is no separation. So basically what I do is to reach into your heart space and convince you that you can do more than you've been led to believe. And that is to heal yourself. I am not the healer. I'm called a healer so people can understand it basically. But I open a portal for you to do your own healing. That's basically how it works. It's not that miraculous. I'm not some guy that has magical powers, other than that I have 100% belief that we are connected.
Absolutely.
Your heart is in my heart, and my heart is in yours, and so is everybody's heart. We are all just one unit. Mm-hmm. So sometimes we forget, and we do things like eat the wrong foods or have a kind of a not an ideal lifestyle. We don't have enough rest, we have too much stress, and our body goes into like rebellion. Mm-hmm. When we get sick, it's teaching us that you need to change things.
Right.
That's basically all I do. I'm here in Los Angeles, although my training was on the big island of Hawaii.
Okay.
In the Hawaiian Islands, where I spent 7 months in total silence with my mentors, who were 4 powerful healers in Hawaii in these caves. They're like lava tubes. Mm-hmm. And one of the conditions for me to learn was to be quiet, don't talk at all for 7 months.
Oh, wow.
And so I learned by the infusion of certain vibrations, mm-hmm. And then at the end, the only sound we were allowed is laughter. We could laugh all we wanted, but no speaking.
How amazing.
And I'm very, very grateful to have the opportunity to connect with you, because I wondered, whoa, what happened to this lady? Here she's doing some powerful work, and then she just dropped out.
And I dropped out of everything, but I incubated just like you, but I didn't go out there. I incubated in my own spirit, in my own house, in my own space to find myself and redirect myself. But here I am again interviewing amazing people